generosity of your time, love, and gifts for Dream. And to our chosen partners, Ninongs and Ninangs, hello! Ayan, know that today is not just ceremonial, it is vital. Okay? And then we chose you kasi you are kind. We know that you will also support Dream in all what she become tomorrow. Alam ko na magiging isa kayo sa magiging guide niya sa susunod na kung sino siya magiging. And ano pa ba? I would also like to thank you for your time, mga ninongs and ninangs, for giving your gifts to her, love, care, and to my baby. Know that your daddy and I will love you for a lifetime. And we are excited na maging sino ka soon. We pray that your faith to God will be unshakable. And for those who are not here, to my papa and Mama Delia, sana po, wishing you all here. Sana kay tatay, sana nandito kayo, sana na-witness nyo yung baby ko. Sorry. And everyone, please enjoy the rest of the afternoon. Thank you.
Ayan, wala pa naman ang ating mami.